Hi everyone, welcome back to TechWise. If you're seeing this error message, the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an error while trying to install Windows. Don't worry, this endless loop can happen on Asus laptops, desktops, or any other PC. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it, so let's get started. When that error message is sitting on your screen, don't click OK just yet. Instead, let's press the Shift plus F10 keys on your keyboard together. Now on other laptops, you might need to press the Shift plus Fn plus F10 keys on your keyboard. This will instantly open the command prompt window. From here, type regedit and press enter. This should open the Windows Registry editor. Now we just need to change one simple value to clear the error. In the left sidebar of the Registry editor, let's navigate through the folders. First, let's expand HKey local machine, then look for system, followed by setup, and then status. And finally, click on the folder named ChildCompletion. With the ChildCompletion selected, move over to the right side of the window and let's look for the setup.exe. Double click on it and let's change the value from 1 to 3 and click on OK. And once that's done, you can close out of the registry editor and the command prompt. Now go ahead and click on OK on the original error message. Your computer will perform one final restart and your Windows installation will resume completely normally without any issues. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.